Hey guys, welcome again my channel. Today I have prepared a list of PIP commands and little bit info about PIP. So I have prepared this Excel sheet. So let's discuss what is PIP. PIP is a preferred installer program. Preferred installer program is called PIP. It is the standard tool for installing Python packages and their dependencies in a secure manner. It is a Python package manager also. So I have created a list. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it will help you in some way. Thanks.